MQB प्रॉब्लम्स क्या होता
multiple MCQ.
सभी तो MCQ
Listen. Good evening, all of you.
Good evening, sir.
If I remember well, we were dealing with capacitors doubts of HCV and they were not over.
Yes, I have posted in the group the pending ones.
Could you tell me those pending problems?
Just a moment.
Sir, can you discuss the assignment?
HCV का कुछ ही problems pending है, उसके बाद assignment करेंगे.
Okay, sir.
Sir, 33, 39, 42, 43, 44, 47 B part, and then you are asked to then you are left to ask the rest.
Okay. First पे खत्म कर देंगे. 33, we have done this in the class. See the problem this way. 33, 1, 2, 3, 4. Haven't we done this in the class? You are connecting a battery here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3 are connected, that is connected to 6. 4 and 5 are connected. 1 goes to the terminal of A, 4, 5. So reverse this. This is 2, right? 2, 1 goes to the terminal of A, sorry. 1 goes to the terminal of A. This is A goes to positive or negative? Negative. Negative. Positive to the terminal of B. B is at the junction of 4 and 5. B is at the junction of 4 and 5. 2 and 3 are connected, that goes to the junction of 6. Finding out charge on any capacitor will not. Technically, I'll redraw this circuit this way. It will be more clear to you. Now this is C, this is C and C. जिस पर भी आपको charge चाहिए, you can apply, use circuital analysis here, the job becomes much easier. Because
So I did the same way, but answer is not.
100% आएगा. This is 0, this is V, this is V. Right? If this is V0, this is V0. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Apply circuit model analysis, each step में answer. This was 39 energy capacitor with stored energy 4 joules is connected with an identical capacitor with no electric field indicated by the total energy stored in the two capacitors. Can I rub the board?
Yes. So
30
even I got the same diagram, but answer was not matching.
आएगा यार अब सिंप्लीफिकेशन थोड़ी कर अब देख लो 100% आए सालों से करते हैं
Okay, sir.
39 the capacitor with the stored energy 4 microjoules. That means what is the charge on it? Q is equal to CV. Q square by 2C is 4. So Q is equal to 8C with a square. 4 joules का energy दे रहा है. It is connected to an identical capacitor. You have positive charge on this, negative charge on this. So it is connected to an identical capacitor, means this will become Q by 2, this will become Q by 2. What is the initial energy? This is the initial energy. Finding the total energy stored in the two capacitors, what will you finally be? Q by 2 whole square by 2C plus Q by 2 whole square by 2C. इसमें डाउट क्या हो सकता है यार किसी? This will be 1 by 4 times Q square by 2C, and Q square by 2C you gave me as 4. This is 1 by 4 times Q square by 2C. 1 by 4 times 4 plus 4. 2 microjoules. Tell me when I can rub the board. Forty-two The metal sphere of radius r is charged to a potential of V. A metal sphere of radius r is charged to a potential of V. That means V is equal to kq by r. Find the electrostatic energy stored in the electric field within a concentric sphere of radius 2r. Field inside the sphere is 0. At a distance of x, potential energy stored is half epsilon naught e square into 4 pi x square dx. This you want to integrate from r to 2r. That's your answer. Substitute the value of the field k q by x square whole square. R to R is your answer. First bit, 42 first. 42 second bit show that the electrostatic field energy stored outside the sphere of radius 2r equals that stored within. Same expression for B bay. Integral du. You will integrate from 2r to infinity. Same expression. You will see what he is asking for. This is playing a practical joke with your people. Nothing to do with capacitors, spherical capacitors. आपको एक कैपेसिटर्स में दिया तो यू कैन कैलकुलेट इवन यूजिंग कैपेसिटर्स q स्क्वायर बाय 2c कर सकते हो क्यों डायरेक्टली कर लो q स्क्वायर बाय 2c से कैसा करोगे यू नो द कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ ए कैपेसिटर one capacitor you will consider from inner radius r to 2r another capacitor you will consider a single sphere of radius 2r so that you get the energy from 2r to infinity.
Just a second. Yes. There is a sheet. There is some charge density given sigma per unit volume. Right? He wants the electrostatic energy stored in the cubical volume of h1 centimeter in front of the glass. Cubical volume of 1 centimeter in front of the glass. Right? Now here, half epsilon naught e square into volume. How much is P sigma by? This is a single sheet or double sheet? Large conducting plate has a surface charge density. Large conducting plate बोल रहा है. That means sigma by 2 epsilon naught. This is my answer. Sorry, sigma by epsilon naught conducting plate का. Each sheet का sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Conducting plate में there will be 2 sheets. There will be charge on the other side as well. So here field will be sigma by epsilon naught. So when do you have to assume charge on one side and when on two sides?
Metal plate conducting जब बोलेगा you take charge on both sides. Metal conducting plate. That's why I read the question second time. He said it's a conducting plate. Conducting plate मतलब you will take charge on both sides. Sigma by epsilon naught बन जाएगा. Unless and until he gives you something like this. He gives you, this is also a conducting plate, this is also a conducting plate, you grounded this. Now you will take because of each, this is a metal plate, but yet there is only one side charge, the other side charge is 0. If he gives you such an exception, then because of each sheet, I'll take only sigma by 2 epsilon.
Understood.
$44.
Parallel plate capacitors, area, distance, connected. Hey, this is done in the class notes. 44 class notes, please. Work done in pulling the plates from D to 2D. Have I done this?
Yes, sir. So you had given it before, so that's why.
Right.
Sir, in previous one, in answer, they have given answer in terms of pi, but there was no pi coming in our calculation, right?
Why?
No, sir, sorry. I read the wrong.
47. Capacitor of capacitance 5 microfarads is charged to 25 volts and another 6 microfarads is charged to 12 volts. Find the energy in each capacitor. Positive plate of the first capacitor is now connected to the negative plate of the second capacitor and vice versa. Find the loss in energy. Where does this energy go? We have done this way. C1 charged to a potential of V1 connected to C2 charged to a potential of V2. Negative, positive. For this, what did we tell you? C1 V1 minus C2 V2 is C1 plus C2 into V. Positive and negative plate when you are connecting, it is C1 V1 minus C2 V2. Delta U will be how much? Half C1 V1 square plus half C2 V2 square minus of half C1 plus C2 into V square. कुछ याद आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
We done this. He gave values for its substitute. Find the new charge on the capacitor, bold right. Once you get V from this equation, C1V, C2V is the new charge on the capacitors.
सर
हाँ,
सर क्वेश्चन 55 का बी एंड सी भी एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो क्या?
55.
यस सर.
55.
Sir, is 40 this question only can you do the other parts because I am having doubt in the latter parts.
This is which question number?
47.
47. Find the new charge. Once you get V, new charge will be C1V, C2V.
Yes, sir.
When he says, find the loss of electrostatic energy. This is the loss in electrostatic energy. Where does this energy go? It goes into the form of heat.
Yes, sir.
These are the later parts.
Understood, sir. So heat will be equal to delta U, right?
Right.
And work will be summation of them both.
Work.
Sir,
Work done by.
sir, only if they tell us to connect the positive and the negative plate, we have to do it. Or if the question says that capacitor is connected to the other, we have to connect the positive plates of both the capacitors.
Generally, they'll have to tell you how the connection is made. Positive is connected to negative or negative connected to positive should be told. If not, the question is incomplete. There are two ways in which you can connect these two, right? They'll have to clearly tell you. If
Okay.
they don't tell you that, that means they forgot to tell you. It is the paper that doesn't say.
Okay.
So the C part will have the same answer as B part, right?
Find the loss of electrostatic energy during the process. Where does this energy go? Where means C and D, how will they be the
No,
same?
C and B for Bombay.
B for Bombay, the positive plate of the first capacitor is now connected to the negative plate. Find the new charges on the capacitor. भाई साहब अब क्वेश्चन एक बार पढ़ लो ना यार. वो चार्ज पूछ रहा है B में, C में एनर्जी लॉस पूछ रहा है. दो डिफरेंट फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज का आंसर सेम होगा.
So it's actually I meant कि part A में the delta U final charge final energy on two capacitors we are getting is different, right?
Final energy stored in each capacitor. Once you know the charge on it, Q square by 2C1, Q square by 2C2.
Yes, sir.
Add both of them, that's the final energy.
Okay.
Or rather this. कोई बीच में कुछ और पूछ रहे थे, क्या है 55 बोल रहे थे।
Sir, you have to note the questions from 47 onwards.
1 second, wait, 55 का सॉल्व करते हैं। The parallel plate capacitor has an area of 400 centimeters, separation of 1 millimeter, connected to a power supply of 100 volts. A dielectric slab of thickness 0.5 millimeters and dielectric constant phi is inserted within the gap. यहाँ पर एक छोटी सी दिक्कत है यार, 55 में you can interpret this two ways. I don't remember which, but one of them will give you the answer. Now, this thickness is how much? 1 millimeter, right?
Yes, sir.
1 millimeter. So you are introducing a material of thickness 0.5 millimeter. This is one way of interpreting this. 55 या गलत कर रहा हूँ। अरे नहीं, 55 में there is no controversy. The power supply is not disconnected directly. 55 में there is no controversy. Area is given, D is given. So first of all, this connected to a battery. You know the capacitance of the C. C is epsilon naught A by D. C initial. So what will Q initial be? You will have positive charge on it, you will have negative charge on it. Q initial is C initial into V, epsilon naught A by D into V. What will Q final be? Epsilon naught A by D minus T plus T by epsilon naught. This into V. D minus T, T is 0.5 millimeter, right? Substitute that 0.5 here and D as 1 millimeter, convert into meters. This is Q final.
Yes, sir.
Power supply is now disconnected and the dielectric slab removed. Once I have Q final, power supply is now disconnected and this will remain constant. This will remain constant. Q final on it will remain the same.
Yes.
Dielectric slab is taken out. Find the further increase in the energy. What was the initial energy here? Q final whole square by 2 C final. C final is this. This is the initial energy. Initial energy is not before introducing the dielectric. Keeping the battery connected, you have introduced the dielectric. That gives me the initial energy. Now you disconnected the power supply, but Q final will remain the same. And now the dielectric slab is removed. That means now it will be C initial. Dielectric slab is removed means this will be C initial. This is the energy when I have the dielectric and the battery. Now the battery removed, what remains constant? Q final will remain constant. Now you remove the dielectric, what will be the capacitance? Original capacitance aa jayega? Yes or no? Now, why does the energy increase in inserting the slab as well as taking it out? We have dealt with that in detail. Griffiths did work. Kuch yaad aa raha hai?
Yes, sir.
Griffiths did work in either pulling the dielectric out or inserting the dielectric. That is work done by the person who is introduced.
Sir, 48.
48. Can I rub the board?
Yes.
.48. 5 microfarad capacitor is charged to 12 volts. The positive plate of this capacitor is now connected to the negative terminal of the 12 volt battery and दिया हुआ है. A 5 microfarad capacitor. 5 microfarad capacitor is connected to a 12 volt battery. That means this will be positive, this will be negative. Q initial is 60 microcoulombs, right?
Yes, sir.
The positive plate is now connected to the negative terminal of the 12 volt battery and vice versa. Find the heat developed in the connecting wires. Now what you did is same 5 microfarads, we connected it this way.
positive plate is connected to the negative terminal. Now this should send initially how much? 60 microcoulombs to nullify the charge and then 60 microcoulombs to recharge it. Q final will also be 60. Taking 1 and 2 numbers, we have done this. So work done by the battery will be equal to delta U plus heat loss. What is the work done by the battery? 120 microcoulombs into 12, so many microjoules. Delta U will be 0. All of this will be lost in the form of heat.
Why is the delta will be 0?
आज तू पिटेगा जबरदस्ती होगी. Half CV square here and here is the same. Yes or no? C is the same, V is the same, half CV square, and you're squaring V.
Right.
Now, do you want me to continue with the balance doubts of HCV or take the assignment?
Finish HCV now.
HCV का balance doubts बोल
53C part.
53 or 63?
53C part.
68.
59.
A parallel plate capacitor, 5 microfarads, battery 6 volts, the separation between the plates is 2 centimeters, find the charge on the positive plate, the electric field between the plate, dielectric slab of thickness 1 millimeter and dielectric constant 5 is inserted into the gap to occupy the lower half of it. This 53C part lower half meaning the problem with the interpretation is this. What we take is lower half, we take this to be the lower half. You took this to be the lower half, am I right? What HCV has taken as this as the lower half. He kept the capacitor this way. This is
So
the
that's
lower
why area was coming different. Answer.
half. There is
So
some
now
difference.
I'll get the answer.
Actually, that's the language deception in HCV. By chance, he did this. Generally, he doesn't do that, but by mistake, he committed that. It's okay, forgive him.
Sir,
Uh,
the 48 one which you did where delta U was 0, but there we won't find delta U as the difference of total energy minus that total energy of two capacitors.
ऐसा कैलकुलेट करोगे. टू कैपेसिटर्स तो है ही नहीं. फर्स्ट पॉइंट एक ही कैपेसिटर है, वहां प्रॉब्लम. एक कैपेसिटर पहले 12 वोल्ट बैटरी
Sorry.
को पढ़ें.
Yes, sir.
पॉजिटिव प्लेट नेगेटिव प्लेट कनेक्ट किया है, फिर रिवर्स किया है, तो इनिशियल एंड फाइनल इक्वल हो गए हैं.
And potential difference will be same.
Are dealing with the initial when the first capacity, first time the battery charged it from zero लेना है आपको. नहीं. Calculate the heat developed in the connecting wire. The positive plate of this capacitor is now connected to the negative terminal. So when you made the change, difference is what he is asking.
Understood, sir.
Now 59. Parallel plate capacitors of plate area A and D, plate separation B is charged by potential V and then the battery disconnect. Slab of dielectric constant K is then inserted between the plates of the capacitor so as to fill the space between the plates. Find the work done by the system in the process of inserting the slabs. See, first of all, a parallel plate capacitor Q is equal to CV. So energy is equal to Q square by 2C or half CV square. Both of them will be the same. Right? How do you want me to write C? C is epsilon not A by D. This is the initial condition.
A slab of dielectric constant K is then inserted when after the battery disconnect. So I will take the initial energy to be this. Now C final is epsilon r epsilon naught E by T. Energy final is Q square by 2C final. This Q will be the same here and here. Denominator में C final will change. Why are you keeping Q constant? Because you have disconnected the battery and then inserted the dielectric. Find the work done on the system in the process of inserting the slab. Work done is equal to delta V. '68 में he's playing a practical joke with you people. L minus A is equal to half into acceleration into T. क्या बोल रहे हो यार? S is equal to half ET square use कर रहे हो? Yes, because acceleration is constant. What is the acceleration? What is the force on it? Epsilon naught BV square by 2D into epsilon r minus 1. This force is a constant which we derived when the battery is connected. If this force is constant, acceleration will be epsilon naught BV square by 2D into mass of the dielectric into epsilon r minus 1. Once I get this acceleration, I can calculate this time. Now, एक बार जब time आ गया, तो what will my final answer be? 4 times this 2. Because you are calculating the time taken by the dielectric slab to come from one extreme to the equilibrium position. This time is small t. Total time is 4 times small t. He's playing a cheap trick with you people. SHM आप लोगों के दिमाग में इतना बैठ गया कि you will feel this performs SHM. This doesn't perform SHM. You know why? Acceleration is constant. It's periodic motion, oscillatory motion, but not an SHM. Because acceleration is constant. So time will be 4 times small t. Yeah, you will not find out A equal to minus omega square x. It's periodic motion, but not a simple harmonic motion.
Okay, sir.
One second, I open the assignment sheet. Capacitors. Oh, got it. ITS 26, right? Which is given to you people.
Yes, sir.
Assignment.
Nine. 24 and 25.
Sir, 3. 5. 15, 16. 18.
No. Third में two identical capacitors are connected in series to a battery of how many volts? 100 volts. A dielectric slab of constant 4 is inserted between the plates of the second capacitor. So if this is C, this will become 4 times C. Right?
Yes, sir.
Potential difference across the capacitors will now be respectively. You introduced this means what will happen? The charge on both of them will increase. Right? Charge on both of them will increase. Why will charge? What is C equivalent in this particular case? C into 4C divided by 5C. 4C by 5. So charge will be 4C by 5 into 100. 5 into 20. 80C will be the charge on both of them. What will be the potential B1 and B2? B1 will be Q square by 2C. 80C whole square by 2C. V2 will be 80C whole square by 2 times 4C. बोलो.
हाँ सर समझा.
Tell me when I can rub the code.
Done sir.
Fifth problem. 3 capacitors, each of capacity 4 microfarads, are to be connected in such a way that the effective capacitance is 6 microfarads. See, 3 capacitors, each of capacity 4, are to be connected in such a way such that the effective capacitance is 6. First of all, I will have to connect them in series, 2 in series, 4 and 4 in series. How much will I get? I'll get 2. Right? How many did he give you? 3 capacitors. You'll have to try all 4 options. You connect all of them in parallel. It will not be 6. It will become 12. You connect all of them in series. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 will become 4 by 3. Neither will that do. So now we have 2 options. Connecting 2 in series and 1 in parallel. Now I connected 2 in series. The equivalent capacitance is 2. Right? 1 in parallel. 4. Am I getting 6? 2 and 4.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
So 2 capacitors in series and that in parallel to the other.
Done sir.
Is there any standard way to solve this? No, you'll have to solve by hit and trial only. All combinations will have to try. Nine. One. Nine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have connected this to a 12-volt battery. Now you connected these two, if I am right, and these two. Agreed? Am I right?
Yes sir.
Now, can you recognize this combination left over?
Yes sir.
Yes,
These
sir.
3 capacitances are in
Parallel.
you should be able to recognize that directly. Suppose I didn't have these both. Tell me what these 3 capacitors are in.
It's a parallel.
They're in parallel, right? The moment you see that, you should be able to recognize this. We have done this. You cannot afford to take so much time in telling me that. Right? These 3 are in parallel. Now आपका circuit 1 minute में बन जाएगा, देख लो आप. Now once I know this, you have 6 here and you have 6 here. That means technically your circuit is 6 here, 1, 2, 3, and 6 here. This is a 12 volt battery. 1, 2, 3, 6, and 6. Whatever you want, you can calculate. Now, whole of this, bring it down. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is how much? Problem is so easy to calculate. यार 1 plus 2 plus 3 तक नहीं बता रहे हो आप लोग, मुझे सो रहे हो यार. 1 plus 2 plus 3.
6.
6. Now this 6, and this 6 are in series. Can you tell me how much charge flows through? You know charge on this, you know charge on this. This charge you know how to split between the three. Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 is the total charge. Q1 by 1 is equal to Q2 by 2 will be equal to Q3 by 3. Will you be able to solve for Q1, Q2, Q3?
Yes, sir.
Nine, I think I just now discussed. 15. Two identical capacitors have the same capacitance C. One of them is charged, of them is charged to one of them दो बार आ गया. One of them is charged to potential V1, other charged to a potential V2. Negative ends of the capacitors are connected. Decrease. Not fair. C1 is charged to V1, C2 is charged to V2. Negative ends are connected, positive ends are connected. Yes or no?
सर यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव एंड्स दिया नहीं है.
Negative ends are connected, matlab positive ends also. The negative ends of the capacitors are connected. The decrease, okay, that can be a trap. See, if only the negative ends are connected, there will be no flow of charge. I assume by default because 0 is not given. I assume positive ends. See, if one of the options would have been 0, then there is a reason for my element of doubt that there is no flow of charge. But none of the options are 0. So he must have forgotten to say that the positive terminals are connected. Now C1 V1 plus C2 V2 should be equal to C1 plus C2 into V. You are asking me the decrease in energy of the combined system. Both the capacitors are identical, right? So CC, this will be 2C. V1 plus V2 is equal to 2. Right?
सर मतलब अभी तो पैरेलल कैपेसिटर्स की तरह ही करना है ना.
ऐसा क्यों पूछ रहे हो? सीरीज कभी कर सकते हो? If there's no battery connected, will you consider this to be in series? No, this is positive, negative, positive, negative. I connected them this way. C1 was charged to V1, C2 is charged to V2. Will you consider them to be in series?
No.
So when you are asking me ये parallel consider करोगे, यहाँ दिल बैठते जा रहा है. ये भी parallel ही है. हालांकि यहाँ C1 minus C1 V1 minus C2 V2 is C1 V1 minus C2 V2 will be C1 plus C2 into V. This is something that you people shouldn't have any confusion with. Am I clear with that?
हाँ सर, समझा.
And the doubt that you had, what if I connect this way? I connected this way. This is positive, this is negative, this is positive, negative. Right? Now, if I don't connect to the other sides, there will be no flow of charge. If I don't connect to the other side, there will be no flow of charge.
Yes, sir.
right? So keep this in mind. This negative charge is bound charge to this. It can flow only when I connect to the other side as well. When I connect the other side, this cannot keep this bound because this itself will not remain. It will go and start merging with the negative charge. So in such circumstances, is there any heat loss? No heat loss. No charge realignment at all. In the figure, initial status of capacitance and their connection is shown. Which of the following incorrect about this circuit? Always read the question carefully. Whenever they ask for incorrect, there is a trap laid in. Right?
Sir, they have given D, I am getting BD. Sorry, they have given C, I am getting AC.
1 second. You will not get A for sure. Oh, incorrect पूछा नहीं incorrect पूछा है. Then I think you may be right. 16. And they might have given the correct statement. एक बार देख लेते. 15 volts, right? A positive है. This is positive, negative. How much is this? 2. 30 microcoulombs, 2 microfarads. Now this is connected to, initially switch is open, positive, negative. Polarity same connect कर रहा है या opposite connect किया है?
Same.
अरे नहीं, देख लो, A is connected to D.
Sorry, opposite.
Opposite. And this was how much? 3 microfarads and 30 microcoulombs. Now opposite polarity. Now 30 microcoulombs, 30 microcoulombs. When they nullify the charge on them, will become 0.
हाँ सर, समझा, हो गया.
Now what they have given is correct then. वो incorrect statement पूछ रहा है. ये तो correct statement बन गया. Final charge on each capacitor will be 0.
हाँ सर.
Sir, answer will be D, right?
Total electrical energy of the capacitor will be 0. That is also correct. But he wants incorrect statement. Total charge flown from A to D is 30 microcoulomb. वो भी correct दिख रहा है मुझे. सिर्फ D दिख रहा है incorrect statement मुझे. Answer क्या दिया हुआ?
So they are given C.
They gave C. Total charge flown from A to D. A to D. Plus 30. A का plate is positive charge, right? I am getting incorrect पूछा ना यार. Positive charge 30 went from, is this plate A?
Yes.
And this is D. So either you tell me 30 microcoulombs went from A to D. This is correct. A to. Or minus 30 microcoulombs went from D to A will be correct. So incorrect statement according to me is D. My answer is D. If my simplification is correct and I have seen the question correct. Yeah, my answer is D. Change the answer for this. A is correct, B is correct, C is correct. D is the incorrect statement. Can I rub the board? In the adjoining figure, 4 capacitors are shown with their respective capacities and the potential difference. And the potential difference applied. Charge and the potential difference across the 4 microfarad capacitor will be. This is 300 volts. Am I right? This is 20 microfarads. 4 microfarads. 12 microfarads. 4 microfarads. Right? Hey, this is quite easy.
Yes, sir.
Put this 4 at the first place and make this 8. 4 plus 4 is 8 microfarads. So this will be positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. All three will have the same charge. There is only one variable here, one equation. I'm touching the negative terminal. 300 minus
Yes,
q
sir.
by
Got it.
20 minus q by 8 minus q by 12 is 0. This q will be shared equally by both
Ha.
because both are identical capacitors. Even if they are not identical, you know how to split the charge between two parallel plate capacitors.
Yes, sir.
C1 divided by C1 plus C2 into Q is the charge on C1. C2 divided by C1 plus C2 into Q is the charge on
Yes, sir.
(24). In the circuit shown in the figure, calculate the charge stored in the 10 microfarad capacitor in steady state. Should we use nodal analysis or this is 100 volts. This is 5 microfarads. Tell me if by chance I'm copying the question wrong. 10 microfarads. 5 microfarads. (200 volts). 5 microfarads. 50. No, I want to know on which capacitor is he asking? On which
10
capacitor?
10
is he asking?
microfarad.
10 microfarads.
UF.
Charge boost by, right? So do one thing. Take this as 0. Take this as 0. This is 0. This is 200 volts. 200 volts. Now this will be 50 volts. This will be 50 volts. This will be 150 volts. Am I right?
Yes.
Take this as V0. एक ही variable है यार. अब take this negative, take this positive, take this positive, take this negative, take this negative, take this positive,
So that
negative.
should be minus 50 volts, right? The top left one.
Sorry, this is 50. Then this will be C. Sorry, 50.
Minus.
अरे नहीं minus 50 सही बोला. So yeah, this will be positive. This will be negative. This is Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. सभी आ जाएंगे आपको. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. I used nodal analysis. That will be the easiest in this particular case. And what will you do? Positive charge on this, and negative charge on this should be conserved. So this is Q1 plus Q2 minus Q4 is 0. Now you know how to find out Q1 and you know how to find out Q2, you know how to find out Q4. V0 आ जाएगा तो Q3 भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो जो आपके लिए जरूरत है. You conserve the charge on this plate, this plate, this plate. Just a minute. I think we are committing one mistake. This plate, this plate, this plate. यहाँ से आकर this plate and this plate. अरे बाबा, all are connected यार. All are connected. This equation is wrong. Have a look at it. Or have a look. You take this plate, this plate, this plate. Safest will be this. Take लो आप लोग. These three plates. This is minus Q2, minus Q3 plus Q4 is equal to 0. अब solve. This plate, this plate, this plate are the safest.
If you take the upper plate, what happened? This is connected to this. You come all the way from here, it's connected to this. It goes all the way from here, connected to this and connected to this. लंबा पड़ेगा. इसलिए take this charge and this charge conserve. Minus Q2 minus Q3 plus Q4 is equal to 0. Q2, Q3, Q4 calculate कर पाओगे? You will
Yes,
get
sir.
in terms of V naught. V naught is the only variable. One equation, one variable should not be difficult.
Done, sir.
Amount of heat produced in the circuit shown in the figure when switch is closed. Each capacitor in circuit is of capacitance 2 microfarad. We calculate the initial and final energy here. When the switch is open, find the charge on C1, C2. C3 पर कुछ charge नहीं होगा. When the switch is open, charge on C1 and C2. Can you calculate U initial?
Yes.
Close the switch. Now find the charge on C1, C2, C3. Can you find out U final?
Yes.
Difference is the heat loss. You want me to solve or can you solve?
And work done by the battery, right? Work done by the battery also, right?
Natural. Net work done by the battery. Initial and final conditions में how much additional charge is pushed by the battery calculate करना ही पड़ेगा.
Okay, sir,
Right.
we'll do it.
Work done by the battery is delta U plus heat loss. Try that. Suppose you are not getting, keep me informed. I'll solve it again in the next hour lecture.
Okay, sir.
Today is Thursday or Friday?
Right.
This week we don't have any more lectures. Okay. I'll send the recording of this lecture in your group. I'm sending it to the other groups as well because HCV and the assignment का discussion है. Booklet discussion. I think your batch में ही start करना है. बाकी batches में अभी तक booklet तक आए नहीं. तो booklet discussion आपका batch में ही start करेंगे. Which day evening are you people free? Monday or Tuesday?
Monday. Monday.
So Monday evening, same time, 4 o'clock. Booklet discussion will start. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
See you people in the next class. Good day. Bye and wish you all a happy weekend.
Thank you, sir.
ठीक है.